Once you've downloaded this file, go ahead and extract it. Once that's done, open it and run install.exe. Click yes to the admin screen. Here you're going to choose Office 2019. Choose the ones that you want. I'm going to uncheck these because I don't want them. If you want Visio or project, they're over there. Now you're going to choose whether you want the 86 or 64 version. Choose 86 if you don't know. If you don't know what your system is, you can search about your PC, and as you can see here, mine is 64-bit. So I'm going to choose that. Times 86 will work on any computer. Now you can choose your language and click install. Click OK. Once it's begun installing, it's going to take some time. It took my computer about half an hour. While you wait, you can minimize and do something else. Don't touch this. First, I'm going to show you that Office is installed and not activated. So if I go launch Word, you can see that it's not activated and ask for a product key. But if I go to account, it doesn't show Office 2019. Back to the window, click yes to the KMS and Mac licenses. Here it started converting. This usually takes about a minute or two. Okay, once it says completed here, everything should be activated. So if I go open Word or another of the main softwares, File, Account, you can see that they're activated and it's Office 2019. Even though Visio and Project were installed as separate software, they both were still activated. Now if any of these become unactivated, reopen the installer, go to the Utilities tab, then check Office Reactivation Task and click Office. This will set up an automatic background reactivation, so you won't have to do it again. Good luck with your schoolwork or office work.